Good morning students, welcome back to social studies. What all we studied at previous class? Yes, we studied about needs of the plants, right? Yes. And now we'll see different types of plants, okay? Yes. How many kinds of plants we have? We have 4 kinds. Which all those? Shrubs, herbs, creepers and climbers, right? How many types we have? 4 types, right? Yes. Next we'll see plants. What all we get from the plants? How the plants will be useful? We'll see now, okay? Yes. So, we have various types of plants for various uses. Not only for human being, it might be for animals or it might be for the medicine, it might be to the birds, it might be to the living things. It is very important of the resources. The plants will be uses for various purpose. Now see which all those various you will use the plants, okay? Yes, first one will see I can grow and be strong. Yes, whichever for human being few plants, few leaves will come, okay, like spinach, coriander, mint, those and all plant, right? Yes, if we eat, what we can get from that? Yes, we get energy, as well as it can grow and be a very strong, right? Yes. And this is worm. What the worm will get? I produce silkier. Yes. What it will produce? It will produce silk, right? Yes. Next, birds. It's my home. Yes, obviously. Oh, everybody knows, right? How the birds will be build a nest in the tree or a plant, right? Yes, it is nothing but it is a homes of the bird. Yes. Next, I will here. Yes, it is nothing but in the plants that birds will lay their eggs, right? Yes, it is nothing but edible air. Okay. Yes. Next we'll see butterfly. What butterfly is doing? Yes, butterfly is, yes, I suck nectar from it. Yet what it will do? It will suck a nectar from it. It will occupy or it will consume the juice from it. Okay. Yes. What the cow it will do? It is my food. What cow is saying? Yes, it is my food. I always eat only the plants and grass. Right? Yes. As well as what this scientist saying? He is saying is nothing but I can cure and heal you. Yes, obviously. Few plants are useful for medicines, right? Yes. So, we got through now, right? How is the plants useful for living beings as well as for birds, everybody? Yes. First, for human being, I can grow and be strong. What about this worm? Yes, I can produce a silkier. Yes. What about for birds? It's my home. Yes. What about this nest? Yes, the birds also lay the nest in the plant. Yes, as well as what the butterfly will do? It is sucks and nectar from it, right? Yes, and what the cow will do? Cow always consume the plant. It is nothing but food of the cow. And what the sign? It is nothing but the plants are useful to medicine purpose. Okay, we got through no, right? Benefits of the plants. Yes, now we'll see. Write the trees, shrubs, herbs and climbers. Yes. How the trees will be? Yes, trees will be in the form of very huge and tall. very short, very small in height, as well as it will grow in the form of shrubs or bushes. Okay. Yes, how the herbs will be? Herbs, it will grow in very small. In plant it will be very small, as well as it won't have strength. Very weak stems or very weak plant is known as herbs. If I take as example, which I can give for herbs? Mint leaves, coriander leaves, grass, those and all we can consider for herbs. Then last but not the least, climbers, right? Yes, what we can consider the climbers? Everybody knows how the money plant and grapes will be. It will go on turning to the it will be in the wrinkle form, right? Yes, it will go on spread in wrinkle form for the whichever it will be stone or some time. It will be always in the wrinkle form, right? Yes, it is nothing but climbers. Now we'll see here. Which is this? Which is this? Tree, right? Yes. And which is this? Which is this? It is grown above the mud itself, but very small in plant, and it will be very weak. Yes, it is nothing but herbs. Which is this? We can see bushes here. It is shrubs. Okay. And this is, yes, climbers. Okay. Yes. Next, we'll see. I am different in different places. Yes, obviously, right? Some plants will be grown in. It will be similarly. No. Yes. See, now we'll see. Some plants are grown in the plants and where it is in the warm. Yes, if I take as example, mango tree and blackcurrant. Some places are grown in the cold places and like the mountain. Is in mountain area which we can see fire and pure pin, right? Yes. Some plants are grown in the desert which there is a very little water. Yes, desert, no, right, everybody, where the camel will be leaves. Yes, obviously there, which all we can see? Cactus and plum, right? Yes. Some plants are grown in the water. Which all those? Lotus. Which all those? Lotus, as well as water. Yes, I said Aithanic. Which all that? Aithanic. Okay. Yes. Very briefly, we'll see at next class. Okay. Bye students. Take care. Meet you up at the next class.